Okay, I want to give you a quick run through about how to use Google Analytics in your Endis site. The first thing that you need to do is go ahead and go to the Google Analytics page and get a free account. And you can go to this URL right up here, or you can use you can just do a search for Google Analytics, and then you'll go ahead and log into to the account to get access. And it's just a free service, has lots of tools, and I'll show you about those in just a second. But if you can go ahead and log in, then the first thing it's going to do after you verify your account is it's going to give you some script that you can put inside of your site, and I'm going to show you how to do that. The script is going to look something like this right here, and they'll just give you a page. It's the first page. You don't have to go looking for it. Where they're going to give you the code that you can put in. So go ahead and select the script on your Google Analytics page once they give that to you, and I'm just going to do the same thing, and I'll move this to the side. And then once you do that, go back into your site, and we're just going to use this test site here, 1120. And what you want to do is go ahead and go into your layouts. So I'll back out of here, and you're going to go into settings, and then you're going to click on your themes and layouts, which is right down here on the bottom left. And so when I click on my themes and layouts, it'll bring up all my themes and all my layouts. Now remember, you're going to put the code not in the theme, but you want to put it in the layout. Now the important thing with analytics is that Google will run through each and every page on your site to get the data that you're looking for, how many people are viewing the site, where they're coming from, all those kinds of things. So it's critical that you put the code in every layout that is being used on your site. And I'll show you how we're going to just do one here. So if I just did this home page, I'm going to edit this home page layout. And then you want to use the area of your layout that's in the header. That's this top yellow part. Don't put it down here in the body of the site. I don't think it really matters where in the header that you put it. We generally just kind of pop it underneath here. So I'm just going to add with my content component a new article, and once I put that article in here, it's going to refresh my page because I'm going to need to edit this article. So I'm going to click edit there. It's going to refresh it, and I'm going to have to actually do it again here in just a second. So I just scroll over here, go ahead and edit my article, and it's going to give me a dialog box. Now the key thing here in the dialog box is that essentially it's an article that's not going to be shown. It's just in the background. So I'm going to change the title just so it makes sense. Analytics. And none of this really matters because it's not going to be shown. And then I want to use the HTML display, and then I'm going to take that code that I just selected and I'm going to paste it in here, and then I'm going to save it. It doesn't matter about the tags or anything else like that. So once I've got that in here and I can save my my new layout, you can see that I have my Google Analytics article in here. It's displaying raw HTML, which again is not going to show on your site. I'm going to go ahead and save this. And then now what that means is that every time that Google runs through my site and they find a page that's using this particular layout, it's going to collect the data on who is viewing that page and where they're coming from and all those kinds of things. There are a ton of videos. If you just search on YouTube or somewhere else about Google Analytics, you'll find all kinds of videos about how to actually use all the reports and those kind of things. That's really not the point of what I'm trying to show you here. But one of the key features I think that will be helpful for you is if once you're logged into Google Analytics, if you use this little link here called email, you can set up your reports to actually be sent to you as a PDF. A lot of people like to get in and find their reports and use them on the site itself, but if you'd like to have them emailed to you, you can select it to be used or to be sent to you every day, every week, every month, or I think even annually, and that way you never actually have to come back to Google Analytics. It'll just send you the details itself. So hope that helps.